A brief history of Texas Instruments. Texas Instruments is a U.S. multi-billion-dollar company who has won numerous awards for innovation and manufacturing. So where did such a successful company come from? What's the company's history? Let's find out. Texas Instruments started out as Geophysical Services Incorporated in 1930. The founders were John Clarence Karcher and Eugene McDermott. GSI used reflection seismography to locate structures beneath the Earth's surface that could possibly hold gas and oil reserves. Reflection seismography used dynamite and sound waves to estimate oil locations. In 1938, GSI splits into two separate companies. The first company remained GSI with a focus on geophysical exploration. The second company was given the name Coronado, and their sole purpose was oil development. In 1941, Eric Johnson, Cecile Green, Eugene McDermott, and H. Bates Peacock, all managers of GSI, decide to go in together and purchase GSI. The purchase was in response to Standard Oil Company's buying and taking over Coronado Corporation. The four men feared they may lose their jobs at GSI and decided that purchasing the company was a way to ensure their jobs. In 1945, Pat Haggerty becomes president of GSI. Pat's vision for GSI is to focus on engineering and manufacturing of electronics. As a result, in 1946, laboratory and manufacturing divisions were created. Haggerty was given the title of general manager of over 85 employees, all with experience in the Navy's Bureau of Aeronautics, to focus on his idea of engineering and manufacturing electronics. In 1951, GSI is renamed to Texas Instruments. The name change was to help reinvent the company and to give it a new identity in technology-based electronics. In 1953, Texas Instruments becomes a public company and is listed on the New York Stock Exchange for the first time. In 1955, Texas Instruments begins to expand into other countries. Slowly, the company becomes a global power. With a strong focus on both military and consumer products, Texas Instruments was striving to advance. Texas Instruments started in defense electronics in 1942 with submarine detection equipment. They then specialized in infrared, radar systems, missiles, laser-guided bombs, and military computers. Texas Instruments entered the consumer industry with products such as microprocessors in 1967. Also, the invention of the handheld calculator, which everyone can thank Texas Instruments for, as well as speech synthesis chips, the first transistor radio, LED watches, home computers, and software. All of these inventions changed the shape of the world as we know it, and are all thanks to one company, Texas Instruments.